Words that start with the ch. Cheek, cheek. Chair, chair. Chain, chain. Chase, chase. Chips, chips. Chill, chill. Chime, chime. Chalk, chalk. Chart, chart. Chat, chat. Chin, chin. Chew, chew. Cheese, cheese. Check, check. Choke, choke. Cheer, cheer. Chest, chest. Children, children. Champion, champion. Chimpanzee, chimpanzee. Follow for more.